Yeah, Marianne, conditions really getting worse by the minute, and Cody already talked about what we saw in Vacaville. You already see the water starting to fill up here just outside of Dillard Road and Wilton Road here, and this is probably from the last couple of hours, so you know it's just going to make its way out into the roadway over there. And let me go ahead and show you some of the video here. A lot of this area already knows all about these storms. I mean, we saw this about a month ago where we saw some serious flooding. We saw creeks going up and over the top of the roadways, people evacuating their houses. So it's something that you know, they just need to know about, and this is going to put some stress on some of the creeks and the levees. And of course, you know, with all this rain and wind and everything, this is just going to wreak havoc into this area. And you know, it's in fact 300 miles away near a vineyard. It actually did some damage. Have a listen to this.
Yeah, about 5 days ago where we're standing, we'd have probably been up to our neck and head in water, pretty good current.
Yeah, so at this point, this is just kind of the precursor to what we're going to see throughout the rest of the day here. Strong winds, a lot of rain. It's going to create a lot of puddles out on the area freeways, pockets of water ponding on surface streets and residential areas, and of course the levees. And you know, it's going to put stress everywhere. And if you live on a floodplain, you probably already knew that. Could be potential problems for flooding. You probably dealt with it over the weekend, got prepared with putting sandbags in front of garages and things that you just didn't want to get flooded. So here we are on this Monday with the rain blowing sideways. That storm is full, no doubt full upon us. Marianne, back over to you.
Yeah, we see Sean out there just getting soaked this morning. Sean, thanks.